Good morning, students. Myself Mithilesh Kumar, projected in front of you from Modern International School, Iswa branch. Dear students, today's discuss about remaining part of subtractions of money for class 3, exercise 53, part 2. In previous video, we discussed about how to subtract. This is simpler subtract, but today's discussed more problems related with topics. Let us start your related topics. Here, such type problems comes in previous day. So, when right sides, normally subtractions, ordinary subtractions, use the here. Use the rules ordinary subtractions in subtractions of money. Here 6 minus 7, this is not, so taken carry from next digits. 16 minus 7 9, here 4 going next numbers, here 14 minus 6 8, here 3 30 minus 4 9, here 2 12 minus 3 9, here 1 11 minus 2 9. In this way, this is your answers. So here you write Rs 999 rupees 89 paise. This is your answers. Now next 5 minus 0 5, 30 minus 8 5, here 5 minus 1 4, here 10 minus 9 1, 4 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 2. This is your answers. You write in this way. Rs 2114.55. That means now next questions. Dear students, how to make? Please look after these problems. Before the problems, I solved these problems. Why? Because you see here, this is already represent in decimals form. So you write Rs 1000.00 and here 825.75. Rs 825.75. Now you subtract them, normally subtractions. Okay, 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, and here put the decimals. 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 8 1, and you write here Rs. This is your answers. In previous questions, dear students, you see here only Rs 96 and not write in this form. So dear students, you look after, you write here Rs 96.00. Okay, and here Rs 38.75. Now you subtract them. 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, and put the decimals here. 15 minus 8 7, 8 minus 3 5. This is your final answers. You subtract ordinary subtractions in previous classes, previous exercise, to work out a lot of number of subtractions by you. So here no problems. Now this is your problems. And dear students, you look after how to solve such type problems. Subtract Rs 912.95 from Rs 8001.25. 25, not 25. So dear students, you mean some students write down 912.95 and 8001.25, and here 0, here 7, here put, and 2 minus 1 1, 1 9 and 8. This is completely wrong. not write in this way. You mean understand. You first of all you asked which number is greater. Here RS 912.95, but here 8001.25. And you remembered after from terms write in the above. Okay, so you write here RS 8001.25, and now here write down RS 912.95. Now you subtract them, then you find out the real answer. 5 minus 5 0, and here 12 minus 9, that means 2, and here put the decimals. 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8, and 9 minus 9 0, and here 7. This is the answers. So dear students, you write here in this way, you subtract them. Now last questions, and here subtracts 93 rupees 14 paise from 200 rupees 3 paise. So you write here RS 200 rupees. You write in this way. Okay. You write same process. RS 200 rupees 14 paise and RS 93 rupees 3 paise. Here 3. No, this is wrong. 3 paise in this way. And now you subtract this. Dear students, 4 minus 3 1, 1 minus 0 1, and here 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 9 0, and here 1. You write here RS and here paise. In this way, dear students, you find out how to subtractions of money. So dear student, I request to you, please complete subtractions of money. If you any problems, you ask them. Thank you, students.